creating relation-based sketches in Creo Parametric. This tutorial will display how to create relation-based sketches in Creo Parametric. As an example, we will create a sketch profile of a British Standard pipe thread. The pitch of the profile is 1/14 inches. Start a new part file from scratch with the default template and give it a name BSP thread profile. You can see the English template is opened by default. Select front datum plane and create a new sketch on this plane. Click the sketch view icon to orient the sketching plane parallel to the screen. Clear the screen by closing the visibility of spin center, datum planes, axis, point, etc. Go to Setup panel and define the grid settings. In the grid settings dialog box, activate static grid spacing option and modify the X and Y spacing as displayed. Open the visibility of grid from sketch display filters. Now zoom the window quite considerably to view the grid. Draw a sketch with the help of line tool as displayed. You will see some constraints are automatically applied and intimated time to time by the software. Create a center line for our sketch. Apply dimensions related to our profile specifications. Lock this dimension to prevent it from any modification. Again, apply an angular dimension. Apply constraints according to the demand of the sketch. Quit the sketching mode. Switch to Annotate tab. Activate Show Annotation tool and select the sketch. All the applied dimensions in the sketching environment will be visible. Terminate the command. Select this dimension in the design window that will be highlighted in the model tree. Open its property from the context menu. Change its display name to P and apply changes. Go to Model tab, then Model Intent panel and expand it to find Switch Symbol command. Click it to display names of dimensions in spite of values. Re-edit the sketch. Draw an arc tangent to both the lines. Define the angular dimension and apply a lock over this dimension. Exit the sketching mode and again redefine the names of the dimension. Remove the prefix, otherwise dimension will display RR name that will be very confusing. Expand the Model Intent panel and activate the Relation command. Start adding values according to the profile. You can type or paste the values. Execute and verify the relations. Select the dimension of the pitch with the help of selection filters easily. Move it to new location. Re-edit the sketch. Add more dimensions to the sketch and change its name. Give away relation according to the profile. adding this dimension is conflicting with the previously placed constraint, so remove that constraint. Similar operations are being performed as done earlier. Again re-edit the sketch. Select these two lines and convert them to construction lines. Complete the sketch by adding few more arcs and lines. Select these sketches and duplicate it using mirror tool. Now sketch is complete, so finish the sketch and save the file. If you change the pitch, the profile will change simultaneously. We invite all of you to visit our blog where you may get similar screencast videos. Keep watching our videos. Goodbye.